A Russian superyacht that has been docked in Fiji for more than 5 weeks is to be seized by the United States. The latest legal hurdle preventing the move has now been cleared. Key points. Today's decision is likely to be challenged in the Supreme Court of Fiji. Today's decision could be challenged in the Supreme Court of Fiji. Amadea, allegedly owned by sanctioned Russian oligarch Sulieman Kerimov. Amadea is allegedly owned by sanctioned Russian oligarch Sulieman Kerimov. The seizure is part of a global operation to loot the assets of Vladimir Putin's allies in the Ukraine war. A Fiji Court of Appeal today rejected an appeal aimed at preventing the seizure of Russian superyacht Amadea by the United States. Today's decision means local U.S. law enforcement officers in Fiji will soon be free to sail the $450 million superyacht to U.S. waters, where she will be the subject of seizure, unless the decision is appealed to the country's Supreme Court. Sanctioned Russian oligarch Sulieman Kerimov is believed to own Amadea, and the seizure is part of a global effort to loot the assets of President Vladimir Putin's allies in the Ukraine war. On paper, however, the 106-meter luxury vessel is owned by an investment company registered in the Cayman Islands. The company's lawyers have argued that ownership of Amadea must be proven in a Fiji court before assets can be seized in the United States. But Fiji prosecutors claim the test is intended to be conducted in the U.S. judicial system and set a precedent for Amadea. Registration and execution of foreign arrest warrants. Faisal Hanif, who represents the investment firm, said he now plans to take the case to the Supreme Court of Fiji and will seek a court order to prevent U.S. agents from sailing out of Amadea from Fiji pending appeal negotiations. On paper, the 106-meter luxury vessel belongs to an investment company. While upholding the High Court order, the Court of Appeal also ordered that the judgment enter into force with respect to its enforcement and/or consequences only 7 days after notification to the parties, said an official statement read today. Therefore, an appeal can be made to the Supreme Court within 7 days. The United States is committed to finding and seizing the assets of oligarchs supporting the Russian Federation's brutal and unprovoked campaign against Ukraine, the embassy said in a statistic.